Today, I'm pleased to introduce Sinclair Cellular Solutions, advanced antenna technologies designed to power modern wireless networks. At Sinclair Technologies, we focus on delivering reliable, high-performance connectivity solutions that support today's demanding network environments while preparing for tomorrow's evolution. Let's explore how Sinclair enables seamless wireless performance across every deployment scenario. At Sinclair Technologies, we engineer antenna solutions that form the backbone of modern wireless networks. Our antennas are designed for exceptional electrical performance, long-term durability, and environmental resilience. With features such as low passive intermodulation, high isolation, and broadband compatibility, our solutions ensure optimal signal integrity in even the most challenging conditions. With 75 years of industry expertise, Sinclair remains a trusted partner to wireless operators worldwide, delivering high-performance products, a comprehensive portfolio, and fast customization to meet specific deployment needs. No two network deployments are the same, and Sinclair's portfolio reflects that. Whether operating in dense urban centers, remote industrial locations, or complex indoor environments, we offer antenna solutions tailored to each scenario. Our multi-band antennas support multiple frequency bands within a compact footprint. Single-band antennas provide optimized efficiency and gain. TDD and hybrid TDD-FDD models support dynamic spectrum environments. And our small cell antennas enable network densification with discrete, high-performance designs. Whatever your deployment requires, Sinclair delivers the right solution. Every Sinclair antenna is rigorously tested, both electrically and mechanically, to ensure long-term reliability in real-world conditions. But performance today is only part of the equation. Our antennas are designed with future readiness in mind. Technology-agnostic architectures allow operators to add new bands, integrate additional components, and support Open RAN. With Sinclair, your investment is built to evolve alongside your network. At Sinclair Technologies, we understand that standard solutions don't always fit specialized requirements. That's why our engineering team works closely with customers to develop customized antenna solutions tailored to specific technical, environmental, and regulatory demands. Whether you require a unique frequency band, specialized form factor, enhanced environmental protection, or integration with active components and Open RAN systems, Sinclair delivers precision-built solutions designed specifically for your deployment. Selecting the right antenna should be simple and intuitive. Sinclair uses a logical, easy-to-interpret model number structure that allows users to quickly identify key product attributes, including antenna type, frequency range, configuration, and special features. This structured approach reduces selection complexity and helps ensure the right product is chosen for the right application, improving efficiency from planning through deployment. Installation efficiency matters, especially in large-scale deployments. Sinclair antennas feature color-coded ports, allowing technicians to instantly identify which ports correspond to specific frequency bands. This intuitive system simplifies installation, reduces configuration errors, and accelerates field maintenance and troubleshooting. By making frequency assignments visually clear, Sinclair ensures accuracy, efficiency, and confidence in every deployment. To further support installation accuracy, Sinclair antennas may also include pattern markings, such as dots, stripes, or segment fills, to indicate array positions or functional roles. These markings complement port color coding, clarify antenna orientation, and help installers quickly verify correct connections. By combining color and pattern-based identifiers, Sinclair minimizes field errors and maximizes operational efficiency. Sinclair offers one of the industry's most comprehensive antenna selections. Our panel antennas are available in configurations ranging from 2 to 28 ports, supporting multiple frequency bands, advanced MIMO architectures, and sectorized coverage requirements for 4G, 5G, and Open RAN deployments. We also provide tri-sector antennas that reduce tower footprint while delivering full 360-degree coverage, as well as compact small cell antennas designed for dense urban and street-level applications. No matter the scale or complexity, Sinclair has an antenna solution to match. When selecting your next cellular antenna partner, choose more than a supplier. Choose a trusted technology partner. Sinclair Technologies delivers proven performance through rigorous testing, future-ready designs that adapt to evolving technologies, comprehensive deployment solutions, and user-friendly features that simplify installation and maintenance. Start with Sinclair, where precision meets performance. Thank you for your time and attention. We look forward to working with you.